All right. I bought this tractor a week ago, and the person had a new hood and a new grill put on it. And I've ordered the lenses that go over here, and I'm waiting for that to come in. But it doesn't have a logo here. So I'm going to take a little bit of spray away glass cleaner, and I'm just going to clean the area where the logo goes, just so there's no dirt on it. I know there's no grease on it. All right. Okay. And I bought a logo that I'm going to put on now. This is a John Deere logo, and there's your part number. Okay? And I'll put a link of this in the description. But let's put this on. It's not like a sticker. It's like a hard logo with some thickness to it. That is going to go right in there, and that is dry. So I'm going to peel the backing off of this, okay? And we are going to put that where it belongs. There we are. There we go. I'm just going to rub this a little bit. I can feel that it's inside the... Yeah. Now that looks like it's supposed to be there, right? And that's it. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you checking my videos out. Have a great day.